Making everyone happy is our #1 priority. So when someone takes the time and writes us an awesome 5-star review complimenting our great service, we love to share it. Here's what they had to say. This is one of our favorites because we go to great lengths to constantly work on improving our processes and making sure everyone gets the best service possible. So online feedback like this is always appreciated, and we love sharing it with others. We love knowing the people we serve consider us the best company to do business with. We'd love for you to give us a chance to show you what we can do. Simply call the number on your screen and contact us today to get started. We look forward to working with you, and thanks for watching.